This is the finished product. I sanded these previously and was going to paint them, but I decided to go with powder coat, and I used 320 on these. If you powder coat and you ain't going to sandblast, but use about a 220 on them to 180. I wouldn't go no finer than 320 though, if 320 is a must. But 220 and 180 usually does best. If you go with like 80 grit or something, the scratches do show up sometimes, so don't want to do that. So once you get your wipers sanded down, you ready to start taking them and powder coating them. Okay, as you can see, we got a windshield wiper blade in the oven. That's a review on this little oven here. I got a few different size ovens, but it fits in this one great. Now the coverage was not 100%, so we are going to pretty well warm this up till it starts almost to flow. Then we're going to pour it back out and shoot one more coat on this one more time. Now just another light coat, so we get a good even coverage, because there's still a few little light places on it. This is a second coat. We poured it out a while ago and sprayed it again. As you can see, it's looking pretty nice. We got 8 minutes to go. Okay guys, this is the powder coated wipers. I went over them 2 times. Put them in the oven, baked them. As you can see, they look great. No complaints. They will look good on the truck. Going to be a very good conversion from the pin-on style to pretty well the little style wiper blades. I'm going to like that a whole lot better. Going to be a whole lot cleaner look for this C30 or for your C10. But it's pretty simple powder coating these. It does not, if you're worried about the springs, the heat does not warp them. And, you know, the pivot points, it don't tear on the pivot points. They do fine. You can bend them and the spring works. So, yeah, why not powder coat them? They look great. This is one that's been painted. I don't know if you've seen the paint video on how to restore your windshield wipers by painting them, but that's one of them. Powder coating for the win. If I had to choose between painting the wiper blades or powder coating, I would go powder coating, but not everybody has access to powder coating, so painting is usually the way to go. So drop a like, leave a comment, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it if you do, and I'll see you on the next video.